Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is Agile methodologies. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, Agile methodologies is a way to create. It got the following characteristics. It is a methodology that is focused on education and innovation that produce products and services with non-traditional learning models. The Agile methodologies are a way to manage a project by breaking it up by several phases. It is constantly collaboration with stakeholders and continuous improvement at every stage. When the work begins, teams and cycle through a process. Design thinking is the main agile methodology, although it is not the only one. There are many and they have different characteristics, but they complement between each other. Allows you to question any development or thesis, and to check it you need 100% objective validation. That is extremely important. So nowadays, basically every company in the world or university in the world is trying to change the traditional way of develop their products, services, and different ways. Agile methodologies are extremely popular, and today I'm going to show you the main characteristics. Okay, so when we talk about agile methodologies, we start by saying that is non-traditional. Why? Because traditional methodologies like the scientific method, it's focused on a linear production. Yeah. So you make a hypothesis, you find and create a experiment to validate that. But agile methodologies got a way to create and have a different approach. It's focused on innovation. Also, it's very important the critical thinking. We don't take anything for granted. And if you have a point of view, you have to be very open-minded to figure it out how are you going to protect or make it happen. It's very important all the part of speak and try to convince people with those ways to be focused on the different ways that you can understand a different development, even though it is a product, it's a service, or anything like that. Something that is very important is that the agile methodologies are not subjective. This means that if you have a point of view, if you have a way of thinking, you have to support your thesis with statistics or any information that can validate or discharge your thesis. Also, very important that you need to test all the prototypes, all the different development that are focused on what you are creating. That is very important. Also, it's iterative. It means that you have to try, do it again, try, do it again, try, do it again. That is extremely important so you can test and refine the development that you are making. Also, something extremely important, and this is the axis of all agile methodologies, which is user-centered design. It means that if I'm making a development, is because it's focused on a real need, and it's focused on a need of a user, and I'm trying to improve their lives by the development that I'm making. There are different uh, agile methodologies. The main one is design thinking. Design thinking, as you know, it's a methodology with 6 stages that got many different tools so you can develop any kind of product, service, or business model. We got visual thinking. Visual thinking is a very interesting methodology because it focuses on understanding and create anything with different components that are visual and allow you to create and show any kind of idea that you have. Lean Startup is the main methodology for entrepreneurships. It's focused on value proposition and model business canvas. Lean Startup is complementary with design thinking and visual thinking as well. Scrum, this is the methodology of all the engineers, especially the ones that are focused on software, because it got very important roles and it got a specific way to develop different stuff. All the tools that these methodologies have are complementary and you can use it in different moments. Six Sigma is also a methodology used for improvement and continuously improving the way of a business. We got other methodologies as Scrumban, Kanban, Agile, that is also the name of one, and Design Sprint. Those are the main ones. I'm sure there are more, but the 10 that I told you today are the most important ones. As a conclusion, we can say that the concept of disruptions that agile methodologies have is focused on education, technology, and allows you to generate conscious acts, well argued. In a disruptive process, justification, it might be why something is going on. It's very important that we always keep an open mind of what we are looking for and what we want. Uh, we got each video for all the agile methodologies and all the different concepts that are in this video. So if you are interested, just click here on the description, because here we got our channel and you can research all the information that you need about this subject in a specific one. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. And remember that thank you to all of you. We are the #1 Design Thinking channel and Agile channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.